Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at 360 Total Security and see what features it offers, how it works, and whether it's worth installing on your PC. So let's get started. When it comes to protecting our computers from viruses, malware, and online threats, having a reliable security tool is important. 360 Total Security is a free antivirus program that combines multiple security engines to help protect your system from different types of threats. After installing 360 Total Security, the first thing you'll notice is the clean and simple dashboard. It gives you quick access to important features like virus scans, system cleanup, speed optimization, and security checks. The main feature is the virus scan tool. With just one click, you can scan your computer for suspicious files, malware, and other security risks. The software uses multiple antivirus engines to detect and remove potential threats. Another useful feature is PC cleanup. Over time, your computer collects temporary files and unnecessary data that can slow down performance. 360 Total Security helps remove these files and free up storage space. It also includes a speed up feature that checks startup programs and background processes. By disabling unnecessary apps, it can help your computer start faster and run more smoothly. For browsing protection, 360 Total Security provides features that help block dangerous websites, suspicious downloads, and online threats. This adds an extra layer of protection while you're using the internet. One of the biggest advantages of 360 Total Security is that many of its features are available for free. The interface is beginner-friendly, making it easy for users who don't have advanced technical knowledge. However, like any antivirus software, it may not be perfect. Some users may experience notifications or additional software suggestions, and advanced users might prefer more customizable security solutions. Overall, 360 Total Security is a good option for users looking for a free antivirus with extra system optimization tools. It provides basic protection along with features that can help improve PC performance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.